Hi, I'm Tom Greenwood from PPG. If you love golf, come and check this out. We've designed and created this 3-hole putting green, complete with a sand bunker in the far corner and a chipping pad. All the essentials for sharpening up your short game. It has a sandstone creek bed flowing throughout the entire area and is accompanied by raised gardens planted out with Australian natives. We've installed these avalon steppers to venture throughout the area, and the charcoal grey is a lovely choice of colour to tie in with the already incredible sunken 5 hit. If you would like a golf green or simply want that wow factor in your backyard, give us a call today.